fellow YouTube viewers, and today I'll be talking about new things that are happening in the world of Apple. As a few hours ago, Apple had the Worldwide Developers Conference for 2016, so we'll have a look at what iOS 10 looks like, the new Mac OS, I think it's called Sierra. There's a new Watch OS and the new TV OS. So, quite exciting things in the world of Apple. So now I'll switch over to the Mac screen so you can have a look. So hello guys, I'm now up in the Apple web page, and yes, you'll see some new things go through. So we've got iOS 10, which has a bit of some changes done to the UI. You got Mac OS Sierra. So I have noticed they have dropped OXX. So I'm assuming that they've dropped that now. New Watch OS. Swift Playgrounds. So it's some different coding aspects added to the new iOS 10 for the iPads. And yeah, and there's also a new Watch OS too. So look, open it up. So as you can see here, iOS 10. So you get some different stuff on here. The UI looks different here. Looks more Android looking. So big, bold, beautiful. Everything you love is now even better with iOS 10. Our biggest release yet. Express yourself in bold new ways in messages. Find your route with beautiful redesigned maps. Relive memories like never before in photos. And use the power of Siri in more apps than ever. There's so much to say about iOS 10. Here with just a few of our favourite things. So replay. It's how you say. Change the way your message bubble looks. Say it proud and say it loud or whisper it. So as you can see, the message app has had some redesign here. Write it yourself. Send a message in your own handwriting. Your friends will see it animate just as the ink flows on paper. Invisible ink. Send a message or photo that remains hidden. Then simply swipe to reveal it. Let's celebrate. Say things like happy birthday or congratulations with the animations that take over the entire screen. Just tap to send one of the 6 quick responses that let people know what you're thinking. Add a personal touch. Send fireballs, heartbreaks, sketches, and more. You can even draw over videos. Stickers. Slap them on top of the bubbles. Dress up a photo, or even put one on another sticker. Available in the new App Store for iMessage. So the iMessage is getting its own App Store. To tap to replace emojis, swap out words with emojis, or with a simple touch. That's something to smile about. iMessage apps. Easily access your favorite apps to create and share content, make payments, and more without leaving messages. So that is a really good feature. So you can view other apps without leaving iMessage or message or whatever. Siri now opens to apps. Siri works with your favourite apps from the App Store, so you can ask it to book a ride through Lyft or send money to someone with Square. Maps now taking reservations. Book a table through apps like OpenTable and Ride with Uber, all within Maps. Street Smarter. Maps can make proactive suggestions for where you're likely to go and the fastest way to get there. Search along your route. See what's around the corner. Easily find the closest place for gas, food or coffee. Maps even tells you how much extra time it will take to arrive. Home Smart Home. The new Home app lets you turn on lights, unlock doors, and even raise your window shades all at once if you like. Music redesign. The simple and intuitive design makes it easier to enjoy your favourite songs. You can also view the lyrics while you're listening to them. Rise to wake. Simply pick up your iPhone to wake up. Your notifications will be there waiting for you. As you can see, the notifications have been redesigned. Touch and go. Use 3D touching apps like calendar, weather, and stocks for a quick glance at the information you need. Interactive notifications. View photos and videos or respond to a message right in your notifications. Contextual predictions. Typing is quicker and easier than ever. When you're typing something like "I'm available at," the free time in your calendar pops up as an option. Your news never looks so good. Easily find the stories that matter to you and most in distinct selections of the beautifully redesigned news app. Been there, found that? Search your photos by the people or things in them, like a beach, a football game, or a puppy. Your past beautifully presents. The photo app can help you rediscover cherished memories like a weekend hike or your baby's first birthday, and even create beautiful movies out of them. Apple Pay's on the web. Shopping online is now faster, safer, and more private than ever. Just browse and pay in your browser. Multilingual typing. Now you can type in 2 languages at the same time without having to switch between keyboards. Your info is safe and secure. Your privacy always comes first. That's why all your data, from memories in photos to predictions in messages, stay on your Apple device. And any sensitive data you share with Apple is encrypted and readless unless it's on its own. So you can sign up for the Apple Beta program, developing for iOS 10, so that's new APIs, apps, etc. Now this is the interesting part. iOS 10 is compatible with the following devices: the iPhone 6s, iPhone 6s Plus, the iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone SE, iPhone 5s, iPhone 5c, and iPhone 5. So they have officially dropped support with iOS 10 for iPhone 4S. But here's the funny thing. iPad Pro 12.9 inch, iPad Pro 9.7 inch, iPad Air 2, iPad Air, iPad 4th generation, iPad 3rd generation, iPad 2. The iPad 2 is still getting support, and this will make it, the iPad 2, the longest supported device, iDevice, out there. It has been supported since 2011, since I think it's iOS 4.3, and it's still getting updates to this very day. So then there's the iPad Mini 4, iPad Mini 3, iPad Mini 2, and iPad Mini. There's also the iPod Touch 6 and 5th generation also getting supported. So that's iOS. So we'll go and have a look at the new Mac OS and see what features we get with that. It has been dubbed as Mac OS Sierra. So it's not Mac OS X anymore, that's gone. What can you make your Mac do now? Just ask. Siri makes its debut on Mac with new compatibility design just for the desktop. And it's not the only way your Mac is smarter. Mac OS Sierra helps you rediscover your best photos, shop more securely online, and work more seamlessly between devices. It can also help free up valuable storage space. Now your Mac even does more for you. So you can do more with your Mac. It's coming as full. So the first thing you notice, the first feature you're going to get with this new version is Siri. You're finally going to get Siri for the Mac. So just like you, Siri can do great new things on a Mac. Talk about big news no matter what you're working on. Your favourite personal assistant is always a click away. The handy feature of Siri on iOS are now on your Mac, along with brand new ways to help you with things that you do every day on your desktop. Ask Siri to do its thing while you do yours. Siri on a Mac is all about multitasking, so you can be working on one thing like finishing up a document, and then ask Siri to send you a message to your coworker saying it's on its way, without stopping what you're doing. Let Siri locate your files for you. Working with files is a big part of using a Mac, and Siri makes it a snap. Can't you remember where you saved that report? Ask Siri to search for the documents you opened this week and then redefine your results to just ones with the word annual in the title. Keep Siri results where you can always find them. Pin sports schedules, Twitter feeds, a list of files related to your big project, and more. Right in Notification Center, everything stays up to date so you always know where to find game times, trending topics, or important documents. As you can see, it's more translucent this notification center. Search, drag, drop. Search for the images and information just by asking. Then drag results right to a window on your desktop. Drop an image from the web into a Pages document to make it pop, or a Maps location into an invitation to get the party started. Could you ask more? Ask more of Siri in a word, yes. Show the PDFs in my download folder. How much free space do I have on my Mac? Play the top 40 jazz songs. And what's the weather in Lake Tahoe? Add Laura to my 10 a.m. meeting. How do you spell broccoli? Show my photos from yesterday. And what time is it in Monterrey, Mexico? Photos. Rediscover memories in new beautiful ways. You spent years capturing moments worth remembering. Now photos can turn them into unforgettable experiences called memories. The powerful new technologies make photos even better at face recognition. Let you display all your photos on a world map, even allow you to search your photos by the objects and scenery in them. Rediscover memories. Rediscover favourite and forgotten moments from the deep in your library. Memories automatically create stunning slideshows and shareable collections of your best photos based on people, places, holidays, and more. Intelligent search. Advanced computer vision technology can identify objects and scenes with your images. So you can search in your photos and by what's in them. Find all your shots of the beach, every sunset you captured, or every images with a birthday cake. Places album. Track your photo expeditions across an interactive world map. Zoom out to look back on all the places you've been, or zoom in to see exactly where you shot that epic landscape. People album. Photos can now be Photos can now sort your images by your favourite subjects. People in your life. Look back on the pictures of your daughter and your colour, fashion, style, or dads on your annual fishing trips. Make possible with the state-of-the-art face recognition technology. Apple Pay. The web now accepting easiest and safest way to pay. Your Mac has always been the perfect place to sit down and do some serious online shopping. Now it's even easier and more secure to pay on the web using Apple Pay in Safari. Look for Apple Pay on many of your favourite shopping sites. Then complete your purchase with Touch ID on your iPhone or by double-clicking the side button on your Apple Watch. Your credit card details are never shared when you use Apple Pay. Your transactions are protected with industry-leading security. Auto unlock with Apple Watch. Log in before you even sit down. Get instant access to your Mac when you're wearing Apple Watch. Just wake up your Mac and you're ready to go. Take a quick call or step away, then get right back to work. No password typing required. Universal clipboard. Copy on one device, paste on another. Copy images, videos, and text from your iPhone, then paste to your nearby Mac, or vice versa. There are no extra steps, just copy and paste as you normally do. Find a great recipe while browsing on your Mac. Paste the ingredients right to the grocery list on your iPhone. iCloud Drive. Your desktop and documents folder accessible on all your devices. Now your desktop and documents folder, where most files are saved, can automatically be stored and updated in iCloud Drive, so you can always access them, including on a second Mac. No more wondering, where did I save that? The answer is everywhere. Optimize storage. When you need more space, let your Mac find it for you. Storage space max out, no problem. Mac OS Sierra can help make more room by automatically storing rarely used files in the cloud and keeping them available on demand. It also helps you find and remove old files you no longer use, so there are plenty of room on your Mac for new files and the ones you mostly use. Files you rarely need are saved in the cloud until you need them. When you need more space, optimized storage makes room by storing infrequently used documents, mail attachments, photos, and previously viewed iTunes movies in the cloud. Files you used recently always remain on your Mac, along with optimized versions of your photos. You can easily find every file right where you saved it. Just open it up and download the original as if it was there. Get rid of duplicates and obsolete files. macOS Sierra can keep unneeded files from cluttering up your Mac. It reminds you to delete used app installers and clears out duplicate downloads, caches, logs, and other unnecessary stuff, so you can be free of junk. It will even get rid of it for you, deleting items that have been in the trash for 30 days. Listen up the conversation. Express yourself in fun new ways. Send a huge emoji. Respond back with a heart or a thumbs up on a friend's message bubble. And play videos and preview links right in the conversation. iTunes. Now with an all-new Apple Music experience. Finding your new favourite songs and discovering new ones is simpler with the freshly redesigned Apple Music inside iTunes. The revamp view makes it easier to discover new music and playlists we think you love. The new Browse section lets you see the best of what's available on Apple Music, from exclusives and new releases to the playlists and top charts. And now you can view lyrics while you listen to in the redefined MIDI play tabs. Get all your docs in a row. Now it's easy to keep windows from pulling up on your desktop. Tabs work as they do in Safari, but now they work in almost every app on your Mac, and in many third-party apps as well. Just update to Mac OS Sierra and your apps are good to go. Breeze through multiple pages, documents in full screen, and look at lots of different destinations in the maps without getting lost. Picture in picture. Keep one eye on what you're watching and the other on what you're doing. Now you can float a video window from Safari or iTunes over your desktop or over a full screen app. Play the video in any corner of the desktop and resize it to see more or less of what's behind it, so you can catch up on your favourite show while you catch up on it on email, or watch the big game while playing a game yourself. So here we go. Got the Apple Beta software program, which you just sign up and get and develop. The macOS Sierra SDK has new APIs and service for creating more productive apps. Picture in picture. Apple Pay makes for richer sites. New metal extensions give visual abuse and blah blah blah. I'm not sure what it supports, like Mac-wise. I'm assuming it'll support the same Mac models as last year with El Capitan, I'm guessing. So when we go back, we'll have a look at the watchOS now. So it feels like a whole new watch. With the new watchOS app, launches instantly and are easy to access. You can choose from a range of new watch faces and share your daily activity with friends. The new Breathe app helps you stay healthy by taking a moment for yourself every day, and messages are more expressive and delightful. It's the world's most loved smartwatch with even more to love. Performance navigation, faster access to your favorite apps. Now apps launch immediately with updated information, so they're always ready when you are. You can easily get to the app you want by clicking the side button for all new dock and swiping with the bottom of the watch face to reveal control center for your most used settings. Watch face, fresh faces and fresh ways to switch them. Choose from a variety of new faces and customize them with even a bigger selection of useful apps. And now you can switch faces on the fly, so you always have the right one for whatever you're doing. Start with the modular face. That's where you work out. Then easily swap to an activity face as you head to the gym. Activity sharing. Share, compare, complete. Share your activity rings with friends and family for motivation. Complete to see who can close all 3 rings first. We'll let your trainer keep an eye on your daily progress. Keep notifications where people finish workouts or earn achievements. Then reply right in messages with some encouragement or a little smack talk. You can even send your own racing heartbeat with digital touch. Wheelchair use, fitness for all. We should all be able to track our fitness, so we optimize an activity app for wheelchair users, taking into account different pushing techniques for various speeds and terrain, and there are also 2 wheelchair specific workouts and a new time to roll notification. Workout. Sweat even more details. Now you can see up to 5 workout metrics: distance, pace, active calories, heart rate, and elapsed time all at once. Without having to swipe, you can highlight your most important metric, mark segments, and label workouts like Pilates and boxing. Your Apple Watch even automatically pauses on a run, like a spotlight, and resumes when you do. The Breathe app. Quiet your mind, relax your body. The new Breathe app guides you through a series of deep breaths that can help you better manage your everyday stress or experience. A few calming moments. Start anytime and let the memorizing animation and gentle taps help you focus. See your heart rate when you're done, and use the time to breathe reminders to fit a session in each day. Messages. Say it with a little flair or do a lot. Set off fireworks. Stick a sticker. Share a secret with an invisible ink. You can even reply to your own handwriting or scribble letters on the display and let Apple Watch turn it into text. All your options, including larger emojis, sketches, taps, and your heartbeat, are now in the same place, so you can send and respond to messages faster than ever. Do even more right from your wrist. Control your home. Use the new Home app to manage all your HomeKit-enabled devices from your watch. Adjusting the lighting. See who's at the front door, or check your thermostat with a tap. Automatically call for help. Press and hold the side button. No matter where you are in the world, SOS indicates a call with local emergency devices. SOS can send a message to quickly alert your emergency contacts. Apple Pay. Pay within apps. Reload your gift card. Add minutes to your parking meter. Order your favourite takeout meal. Now you can securely pay within apps using Apple Pay right from your watch. Unlock your Mac. While you're wearing your Apple Watch, your Mac senses that when you're nearby and logs you in automatically, so it's ready to use as soon as you wake up. More for developers. Along with performance enhancements, WatchOS 3 gives developers new tools for fitness, graphic, game, and media, so they can create richer apps so you can enjoy even better experiences. So that's the Apple Watch OS, guys. Yeah, there's one more OS to have a look at. I'm just going to have to go and find it. So we'll talk about this too. Swift Playgrounds. Learn serious code on your iPad in a serious and fun way. So Swift Playgrounds learn serious code on your iPad. Swift Playgrounds is a revolutionary new app for iPad that makes learning Swift interactive and fun. Solve puzzles to master the basic use of Swift, powerful programming language created by Apple and used by the pros to build many of today's most popular apps. Then take on a series of challenges and step up to more advanced creations. Swift Playgrounds requires no coding knowledge, so it's perfect for students just starting out. It also provides a unique way of seasoned developers to quickly bring ideas to life because it's built to take full advantage of the iPad's its first of its kind learning experience. So it's an app for the iPad where you can develop apps for iOS. Real Swift code. Real simple, real fun. Learning to code with Swift Playgrounds is incredibly engaging. The app comes with a complete set of Apple design lessons. Play your way through the basics in the fundamental of Swift using real code to guide through a 3D world, then move on to more advanced concepts. Conquer levels, puzzles, and coding concepts. Starting with the fundamentals of Swift lesson, you tackle goals using the same code professional developers use every day. As you move along, more advanced concepts come into play. You continually build on what you have learned and create even more complex code. Fundamental Swift. You start out by learning the important concepts you'll need to understand code. Commands, functions, loops, parameters, conditional code, variables, operators, types, initialization, and bug fixing. Master the basics, then step up to new challenges. Additional to the built-in library of lessons, Swift Playgrounds includes a collection of extra challenges with new ones added over time. Go deeper onto your topic you've already studied, or try your hand at something new. You're not just building fun creations, you're building your skills too. A new way to create code on the best device for learning. Swift Playgrounds takes the full advantage of the power of multi-touch capabilities, simplicity of an iPad. Just tap, drag, or type text and numbers and interact with what you have created. So edit in place. Easily edit numbers with a keypad that pops up when you type a number. Snippet library. Let's quickly draw a common used piece of code from the snippets library to minimize typing. Touch to edit. Conveniently drag boundaries of a statement around existing code. Enter your commands in the code area. Run your code. Quick typing coding keyboard. With the quick type for code, the shortcut bar intelligently displays commands as you go, so you can write a line of command with a tap or two. And for these moments when typing is the best option, there is an innovative keyboard designed just for coding. Touch a key to access multiple characters and drag to choose the one you want. Jumpstart your creativity with templates. Templates give you a head start on a more advanced creation, providing code that helps you take advantages of the iPad technologies like multi-touch interactions, the accelerometer, and the gyroscope. Get inventive and make your own by adding graphics, audio, and more. Explore your creations in full screen. As you work out your code, there's no better place to put your results to the test than a vivid retina display of iPad. Tap, pinch, swipe the screen, and rotate the device to try out the rich experiences you can create. Share your creation with a friend or the world. Send your code to a friend's iPad using mail, messages, or AirDrop. Your friends can view it in Swift Playgrounds and even build on it by adding their own twists. You can post a video of your running program to the web for the world to see. So as you can see, multitasking. Take things to Xcode, then take them further. Because you're working with real code, you can import it and export it directly between Swift Playgrounds and Xcode, so you can try out your ideas with the tool pros use to develop iOS and Mac apps. Swift Playgrounds free in the App Store this fall. So you just download it from the App Store, and it works on iPads. I'm assuming all the iPads, even iPad 2, it's running iOS 10 now. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go into the keynote, because there's more in here. So this gives you a rundown of what's happened. You can click up here to play the whole keynote, which goes for about 2 hours. And it was live from the Bill Graham Civic Auditorium in San Francisco. Now, we'll have a look at the WatchOS, the tvOS I mean. So tvOS, what's next on Apple TV? Apple TV keeps getting bigger, getting better and better. With the tvOS update, Siri can now search for specific topics. Single sign-on simplifies access to entertainment apps like HBO, GAO, and FX now. You can even control the house lights and adjust your thermostat right from your TV. Siri is smarter. A smarter Siri for the faster access to what you want. Have a good idea of what you want to watch? With the new tvOS, Siri that only lets you search for specific topics. It allows you to combine multiple criteria in the same search. For example, ask Siri to show me spy movies from the 1960s or search for videos on YouTube. Just say the words. So here's all the apps that's going to come with the new update. These are all, guys, this is all American channels, so we probably get completely different stuff in Australia. So when you're typing in usernames and passwords for every TV app, we didn't think so. So when you enter your cable or satellite prescription credentials on the Apple TV, you immediately get immediate access to all the apps in your pay TV package that supports single sign-on. So you can authenticate once you're done. Cue the applause sign. Appearance, dark or light, you choose. Change the look and feel of your screen in an instant. Choose a light background to make posters and icons pop, or select the dark option and make watching TV at home feel more like going to the movies. Photos. See old photos and videos in surprising new ways. The new memory feature works with your iCloud photo library to automatically find photos and videos you haven't seen or thought about for a while, then display them in a beautiful collection. Apple Music. Music never looks so good. Apple Music has a new look and feature that makes it easier than ever to find the music you love. Discover new artists, listen to live radio including Beats One, explore daily playlists curated by Apple editors. The Apple TV remote app. Control your big screen from your small screen. Now you're able to ask Siri to search for specific topics, play games, or display your favorite photos and videos right from your iPhone. HomeKit. Adjust the temperature from your couch. Learn about HomeKit. Dim the lights before starting a horror movie or lower the room temperature during the playoffs. With HomeKit-enabled devices, you can control lots of things in your house right from your TV. Automatic app downloads. Download an app on your iPhone just like that, it's on your TV. When you download a universal app to your iOS device, it automatically downloads to your Apple TV. Add Zillow, Airbnb or MLB.com at bat to your iPhone, then see what it looks like and experience them on your big screen. New APIs. Even more developers can do even more with the apps, and developers have the tools to create apps that will make your TV more entertaining and more useful than ever. We can't wait to see what they come up with. So I'll just go back. So that's WWDC 2016, the Apple special event on the 13th of June. Well, for us it was the 14th of June, 3 AM this morning. So as you can see, guys, this is iOS 10, the new macOS Sierra, the Apple Watch TV, and a new app for the iPad, and also the Apple TV OS. Please subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy it, and you can see the thing now. I'm going to get out of that because I don't want that to interrupt what I'm saying. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Comment what your favourite features are, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now. Have a good day.